Hello everyone. Right now you're watching this video because you forgot what to do or you just need a refresher on how to crop the image and resize it. So what we're looking at is we're looking at the original picture right here, and then we're looking at a picture that's zoomed in after cropping that doesn't have the red bars anymore. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go to slide number 2 and we'll go over it. Your first step is right here. You're going to click on the picture and you're going to push Control C on your keyboard, followed by Control V is step number 2. Click the picture, Control C, then push Control V. Let's go up and do that. Okay, I click the picture. You can see the blue borders around it, surrounding the picture. I'm pushing Control and C on my keyboard. Nothing happened. Hold Control, push V again, and we get a duplicate. We can drag it over to the other side now. Okay, that's part 1. Now I have picture 1, picture 2 is selected. Up at the top, I'm going to go to crop image up here. If I click out, crop image is gone at the top. If I click on the picture, crop image is back. All right, so I click that. These black borders appear. Something I want to point out is that after we click crop image, we want our cursor to look like this, not these 4 arrows right here. If I click on something and I go to the corner, it turns diagonal like this. Okay, so we want a diagonal arrow on the corner, just like that. So let's go back to my image. Let's click on it and click crop. And let's wait for our diagonal arrow. Now I can click and drag it inside the red box. Don't go outside like this, go inside the red box. Let go. Go down to your opposite corner. Remember, we don't want 4 arrows, we want 2 diagonal arrows like this. Click down, hold it, and drag it inside the red box. There you go. Now push Enter on your keyboard. Enter. We're going to pull down on this corner to stretch it. And we're going to pull up on the opposite corner to stretch it up. Okay, and you'll end up with an image that's zoomed in, just like we had in the first image. Okay, and you do the same thing with the following pictures. Be sure you don't hit Control V because you'll end up with the picture from before. You got to click, Control C, Control V to get a duplicate image. And you go through those same steps again. That's it.